Friends, today's NRI Summer program from Los Angeles brought to you commercial free by listeners like you. Your generous donations make possible for us to stay commercial free, and today's show is pre-recorded. If you have a question for the guest, please send an email to nrisummer@gmail.com. We will follow up with the guest and find the answer for you. Thank you for your support.
Hello everyone, welcome to NRI Samay. This is Indu Kalsi, your host for tonight. So, think about mathematics. What comes to your mind first? I would always be scared of it. Our guest tonight possesses exceptional mathematical abilities. He is just not a mathematician, but also a columnist for various national and international journals. He is well known for his Super 30 program, which coaches economically backward students for IIT JEE. We have today the winner of Ramanujan Mathematics Award, Mr. Anand Kumar. Welcome to our show, Mr. Anand Kumar.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So, Anandji, when and how the interest in mathematics developed for you?
My father always inspired me to become either a mathematician or a scientist. He brought some books on biography of great scientists like Ramanujan, Newton, and Albert Einstein when I was a child. Gradually, all great mathematicians and scientists become my role model. The film stars and cricketers were not my heroes. Later, I wanted to become a great mathematician and fell in love with mathematics. You can understand that my father was a source of inspiration for me.
Wow, that's wonderful to know. So, Anandji, we have also learned that you gave us the idea of going to Cambridge University and opted to teach poor kids. So, how and
Ye-
why did that happen?
Yes, you know that I had got an opportunity to pursue higher education in mathematics in Cambridge University, but due to lack of money, I couldn't make it. My father was in no capacity to bear even my travel fare. I tried with my father to get some money from government or private agencies, but nothing worked. Though I kept trying, I had to join Cambridge University on 1st October 1994. But suddenly, I lost my father, passed away on 23rd August 1994. All responsibilities of my joint family came on my shoulders and I left the idea to join the Cambridge. My mother Jayanti Devi started to make paper and I sold it in its field. After some time, my younger brother Parnav Kumar suggested me to start the program Super 30 for poor kids.
Wow, must be a very tough time for you, Anandji. And I'm
Yes,
so
really.
glad that you could come out of it and became such a famous mathematician. So, Anandji, what is Super 30? How did it start?
Actually, Super 30 is a program for underprivileged students who have keen interest to crack the joint interest test of Indian Institute of Technology. Most of the students are ward of roadside vendors, rickshaws pullers, laborer and landless farmers. They are all from the underprivileged section of the society who cannot afford quality education. I lost my chance to go to Cambridge University and always felt the pain of poverty, which inspired me to start the program Super 30.
Wow. So, Anandji, how do you select the top 30 students for Super 30 program?
Yes, yes. Every year we organize a entrance test to select the student, and we organize the test in various districts of India and different states. And a student come and take my test. After test, we see that a student is poor or not because we select only underprivileged students.
Okay, I see. So, Anandji, it will be very interesting to know your experience with Super 30 so far. We would be really glad if you could share a few success stories with us. Do you also hear
Yes,
that from your successful students?
yes. Uh, I have had very good experiences with Super 30 program so far. We have 360 successful stories. In all stories, you will see how everything is possible with hard labor and iron determination. I want to share some stories of this year's successful students. Like Radhe Shyam was happy for having made it to IIT, but it was also time to go down the memory lane to remember the hard days after his father's death and later a fatal accident due to which he
Oh,
lost one of his eyes. Hailing from Basti in UP, Radhe Shyam had seen hardship from close quarters. His father worked in a private company as laborer, but after his death, the entire family was on the street. He studied in a local government school. One day, while he returning from school, he fell down and something pointed hurt his eye. It was really painful and he was taken to a local doctor who advised him to consult an eye specialist. But due to lack of money, he could not ensure proper treatment and ended up losing one of his eyes forever. One day he said he had approached a person for some financial help so that he could go for treatment, but instead what he got in return hurt him more. He told him to not to waste time, money and energy. He said that with one eye he will find it easier to beg. As there was no point wasting time in studies, the man told Radheshyam. But he did not give up hope and kept studying. He had lost one of his eyes, but his eyesight was fixed on his goal and he was determined to achieve it, to turn a new leaf. Though it was not easy to due to financial hardship. One day he got to know Super 30 and came to Patna. Now he is in IIT Kanpur and is studying mechanical engineering. My second story is the story of Vikas. Vikas Nigam's
mhm.
father is also a laborer. He also at time drives brick landed tractor. His residence in Uttar Pradesh. He has also made it to the merit list of IIT. So there are a lot of stories. We have 360 similar stories.
Wow. So, Anandji, these are really very motivational and inspiring stories. And thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Yes, I want to tell you also the main reason for my happiness is the all alumni of Super 30 come to meet me. They always ask me if they could do something for me. This is the reason for happiness for me.
That's awesome. Awesome. So, Anandji, when was RSM born, the Ramanujan School of Mathematics, and who are the other faculty members?
Yes. I started Ramanujan School of Mathematics in 1992 when I was a student. That time it was only a platform where we discussed about mathematics. Gradually it became a school for the poor. Now there are about 10 teachers in Ramanujan School of Mathematics. All are volunteers and most of the teachers are my students, old students.
Okay. So, Anandji, do you teach any other subject other than mathematics
Yes,
in RSM?
we teach physics, we teach chemistry and mathematics too. Because in the interest test of IIT, all three subjects are needed.
Great. So, Anandji, what is the source of income for you, and how do you keep Super 30 alive?
Yes. Uh, you know that all 30 students are provided education, lodge and food. Everything is free for them. And we provide all things to them. When I had go to Cambridge University, no one came forward to provide monetary assistance to me. After the success of Super 30, I got offer from many private agencies as well as from government agencies. But I turned them all down politely as we do not accept donation. Many people ask, why did you not accept donation? The answer is very simple. I want to prove that if you have keen desire and willpower, then nothing is impossible. You can fulfill your dream with limited resources. Only willpower is required. I manage Super 30 providing 30 students free coaching, free food and lodge for a year with whatever I earn through the tuition classes in evening.
That is fantastic, Anandji. Hats off to you to bring a change in these people's life. These students must be really, really thankful to you. So,
Thank you
Anandji,
very much.
you're welcome. So, Anandji, are we also looking forward to expand Super 30?
Yes, in near future, I will expand my program for more underprivileged students. Now I am planning. I want to also open a school for underprivileged students from class 6 to class 12.
That's interesting. So, Anandji, we have also interviewed Shakuntala Devi and a person, an IIT Delhi student, Siddharth Ranjan, who was also running, program for children in slum areas.
Yes, yes.
So, are you looking forward to join hands with people?
Yes, I will be privileged if any capable people join hand with us.
That's great. So, Anandji, do you also deliver guest lectures in universities?
Yes, I was invited not only by Japanese universities but also in Gulf countries, Canada, China, Hong Kong, Thailand. All countries invited me for a lecture. But I am very sad because no American university or any organizer has invited me for a lecture on Super 30. I want to share my experience in America too.
Oh, I see. So you have got invitations from universities in Japan and in Gulf, but not from
China,
America.
Hong Kong, Thailand, from a lot of countries and also from IIM India and different IITs. A lot of invitation I had and I delivered the lecture. But in America, no one asked me to share my experience of Super 30 there. So I am looking for that.
Sure, Anandji, I am sure that since NRI Samay is also broadcast in the USA, I'm sure people will approach you for your guest lectures, I'm sure.
Yes, I hope so. I hope
So, Anandji, do you also have guests coming in your institute to give lectures?
Yes, a lot of people came here to deliver a lecture. Even from NASA, guest lecturers always visit my place. Mostly they come from America as also from other parts of the world. They come, meet the students and give them valuable tips also.
Wow, wow. So, Anandji, how do you deal with the competitive institutes? I'm sure there are so many coaching centers in India who are helping students to prepare for IIT JEE, and they also charge a very fat fees for the coaching institute. So, how do you deal with the competitive institutes? Do you see any
Okay.
conflicts? Have you experienced anything?
Yes, yes, yes. Because our motive is different from general coaching centers. They also want to earn only money. But what is our goal? You know. So after the success of Super 30, I got appreciation. But at the same time, some coaching mafias of Patna organized attack on me. 3 times I was attacked by armed criminals. During the attack, one of my non-teaching staff, Munna, was injured very badly. His condition was very serious because a knife was stuck in his stomach. He struggled for life for 3 months in hospital. Some of my friends and family members asked me as to why I was running Super 30 despite such a risk, but I never lost my courage. Now people have realized that Super 30 is different and problems had subsidized. Government of Bihar provided me 2 bodyguards for security and safety.
This is a very sad incident, Anandji, but you are still motivated to run your programs as usual. This is commendable. So, Anandji, your papers for mathematics have also been published in number of international journals like Mathematical Spectrum, Mathematical Gazette of the UK. So what were these papers all about and how did you achieve this?
I have been writing the mathematical paper for the last 15 years. All of papers are on number theory and method of teaching.
Okay, okay, great. So, Anandji, we have also learned about, the tie-up of Super 30 with the University of Tokyo. How did that happen?
The people from Tokyo University visited Super 30 and they told me that they would help us to get a couple of talented students from Super 30 admitted to Tokyo University for higher education. They would also provide a scholarship to the deserving students.
That's great. That's great. So, have you been approached by any other university as well?
Not yet, but we are waiting.
That's good to know. So, Anandji, we would be really, really interested to know what are your thoughts about how can we better our education system?
There are two education systems in India. One is for rich people. They can buy education in the public schools, in modern schools, boarding schools. But you know the condition of schools in village. So poor people cannot get the proper education because the schools in villages of India are without any teachers, and even you will find that the windows and doors of the school have been stolen. So how can you hope that and compare the student of metro cities and the students of rural background?
True, very, very well said, Anandji. So, Anandji, what do you think we should do to merge these two systems together and make it one universal education system for India?
It will be good that government should be serious about the education in rural areas, and government should careful about the teachers and teachers training of all government schools. And it may be possible that government can run the school with the public partnership pattern with some private agencies so that the education of government school will be improved.
Great. So, Anandji, what tips and tricks will you give to the aspiring students who are preparing for IIT JEE? Would you like to share a few tips and tricks?
Yes, yes, yes. Sure, sure. I want to tell every student that not go for a lot of books and assignment and material. You should always concentrate on only one book, and you should know how and why of the every theorem. It is not good to mug up every formulas and theorem. You should very serious about the reason of the every formulas, and if you will go in very detail in mathematics, then every problem will be solved easily.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that, Anandji. So, Anandji, these days there are few academies who are online providing education to people free of cost through videos. So, would
Yes.
you be willing to provide classes through video recording in future?
Yes, I will, but we have no sufficient fund to run such a video classes because we have very limited fund, and it is very difficult to arrange food and lodge for the 30 students because my earning is very limited. But if I will have any supporter, if supporter will come, a sponsor will come, then I will be happy to start my classes so that every one can benefited by my knowledge and my teaching style.
Great. I wish you all the best for that. I'm sure there would be a sponsor approaching you to start this with you. And it will be an honor for every student to learn through your classes.
Thank you very much. It will be also matter of privilege for me that I can teach every student of the India who want to crack IIT, who want to get more knowledge in mathematics.
Great. So, Anandji, there is one question which came up from most of our listeners who wanted to know, what do you do to bring out the fear of mathematics in kids who find it really, really tough? I mean, when I was a child, I used to find mathematics really, really tough. So, what do you do to bring out that fear?
Yes, yes. Because generally teachers teach the formula and they do not go in detail of the formula. For example, every student knows the area of triangle is half into base into height. But what is the reason behind it? It is difficult to tell every student the reason. So it is my serious advice to every teacher to teach the student with proof and how and why of the every result and formula so that a student can develop their interest.
Okay, that's really good to know. So, Anandji, how can someone volunteer or contribute to your School of Mathematics or to the Super 30? If a person like me wants to help you with Super 30, how can I volunteer? How can I approach? How can I contribute?
Yes, it will be good for me that one can associate with me. I want to expand my program in the every part of the country. So, and it is difficult for me to organize interest tests in Hyderabad, in Andhra Pradesh, in Bangalore, in Odisha, in Assam. So, if I will have a lot of volunteers, then it is good to organize a program in the every part of the country. So I need some volunteer and support.
Okay, I hope you get those support in the coming days, sir, and you are able to expand your Super 30 because it's really motivational and inspiring for all of us. Anandji, thank you so much for coming on our show today. It was wonderful talking to you. You are really an inspiration to all of us.
Thank you very much.
Friends, if you liked today's show, please go to youtube.com/NRI Samay and click on the subscribe button. You will get notified every time we publish a new show. And you can also like us on our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Google.